everyone, it is your girl Ebonylee. Come take a road trip with me. We are on our way to the roadtohana in Hawaii. I've heard that they have the most stunning views, beautiful hidden waterfalls, luscious rainforests, and probably a few other surprises along the way. So hey everyone, I just had to stop to show you guys these breathtaking views. The locals are fishing. It's just gorgeous. Look, take a look. Alright guys, we just got to this beautiful waterfall. We just had to take a break. Look how fun this is! Come with me, come with me, come. Guys, this water is freezing! But it's actually so refreshing, like, feels so amazing. I'm so glad I decided to face dive here past the river rocks, and here I am. Woo! Decided to stop at this local Thai restaurant. I'm literally starving. We have been driving for several hours, so it's time to eat and let's support the locals. Authentic Thai food here in Maui. Let's go. We're here at Maui's Black Sand Beach in Hana, and these black sands beaches are caused when the volcanoes erupt and the lava hits the ocean. The beach just turns black. These are not here for very long, so we have to enjoy it while we can. Ah! Oh my goodness, beautiful. So unfortunately, I'm getting rained on, but it's so beautiful. This place is just gorgeous. experienced beautiful magical waterfalls, went to the stunning black sand beach, got to taste some amazing authentic Hawaiian and Thai food, went to the local markets. It was this beautiful history and culture. I cannot wait to come back. But if you want to have more adventures like this with me, just go to www.onlyfans.com/ebonyfitness. Bye guys.